Hello Tally users, I'm Sakshi, your Tally guide from a very known Tally certified partner Vedan Soft Solution Private Limited from Tally. Today I'm here to introduce you the most awaited feature of Tally, and that is Dashboard. Yes, you heard it very correct. Dashboard is now live with the latest updates and release of TallyPrime 4.0. So come, let me show you the best uses of Dashboard. You can find your dashboard simply in the gateway of Tally. You can add your titles as per your requirements, like if you want to see outstanding payments, depending orders, your best buyers, the top 10 customers, less sold products, in demand products. You can easily make access to any of your reports with just one click. You can customize your dashboard as your business requires. You can see your reports in both manner, graphs or data. So these were some incredible features of TallyPrime 4.0 dashboard. If you want to know more about this, kindly contact us on this given below details. And if you like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.